My name is Boni Tunya. Now, the World Bank has reviewed Kenya's economic prospect for 2012 to 4.3% from a previous 5%. This, the institution in its economic update says, has been occasioned by the high lending rates witnessed during the year. Now, at the same time, the government has signed 3 credit arrangements with a bank equivalent to 51.9 billion shillings to, among other things, boost energy efficiency. Now, Michael Karanja breaks down the figures.
The cut in the World Bank's forecast from 5 to 4.3% for this year is largely pegged on the high interest rates in the country. While the central bank has responded to slowing inflation by lowering its CBR, commercial banks have been slow in transferring the same to the market. Growth in the first half of the year has sharply fallen to 3.5% as key sectors like construction wilted under the weight of high commercial lending rates that topped 25%. The major shock that poses a threat to the high growth in 2013 remains, as always, stability during and after the general elections.
The report points out that in 4 of the last 5 years, Kenya has suffered from various types of shock. Economic shocks, weather-related shocks, such as the droughts in 2009 and 2011, as well as political shocks. And those have obviously been difficult for the economy to manage.
At the same time, the World Bank has signed a concessional loan worth 37.4 billion shillings for the construction of a 1,000-kilometer power line to Ethiopia. The line will enable the government to procure cheaper hydroelectricity from Ethiopia's Djibouti Dam. Kenya will buy the power at 5 US cents per kilowatt hour, which is much lower than most power producers sell their power to Kenya Power.
By connecting the power grids of Kenya and Ethiopia, this project kickstarts the eventual creation of a multi-country power pool across East Africa and the Horn of Africa. And this power pool in turn will make electricity supply less expensive over time and more reliable to the consumers connected to it.
A further 10.2 billion and 3.4 billion shillings will go towards improving the judiciary and the first phase of an infrastructure finance private-public partnership project. Michael Karanja, KTN Business Today.